Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make sandwich with French baguette. So now let's go. Here we have our French baguette, we have lettuce, we have tomato, we have turkey, it's smoked turkey. We are going to start by putting our mayonnaise. Now we put turkey. Now we put tomato. We now put cheese. And now our lettuce. You can see our sandwich. And we add some ghee on top. Just a little bit of ghee. We now put it into the toast machine. You can see what we have. Very nice. Our sandwich is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.